Print is evolving. With the rise of digital technology, balancing value, efficiency, automation and ease of use has never been more critical. For over 20 years, Konica Minolta has led the way in digital commercial printing, pioneering innovation that shaped the future of print. This video, we will take you behind the scenes to showcase our manufacturing innovations, our relentless commitment to precision, and how we are building a sustainable future through state-of-the-art facilities and practices. But I forgot to tell you, let me introduce myself first. I'm Olaf Lorenz and I'm in charge for the professional print portfolio of Konica Minolta in Europe, and I'm doing this for almost 20 years. Completed in 2021, the Digital Manufacturing Center Mikawa integrates the latest eco-friendly technologies. Located in central Japan, Mikawa is a vibrant manufacturing hub with a mild climate and 4 distinct seasons, a setting that nurtures innovation, urban growth and a strong sense of community. Every step of the process is precisely planned from material delivery to the production of key components. A large-scale automated warehouse streamlines operations by managing materials, parts and placing orders based on real-time production needs. This whole facility is very well organized. So is the smart workplace here. On top of that, the entire factory is powered by 100% renewable energy, while 13% in average is coming from solar panels that sit on the rooftop. This is also a very amazing place. Here, a screwdriver has been linked to a digital manual process. Each step can just be performed with the right screwdriver, and every torque is documented in the system. In fact, each of those steps are even linked to a serial number, so that later on you can look back in the whole production process, the accuracy of each of the steps have been taken well. Maintaining and adjusting the precise torque required for assembly over long durations is highly demanding for humans. Consequently, advanced automation is crucial to ensure accuracy and efficiency in this process. And this is the fusion place where finally a lot of the automation meets also a human final visual inspection. In the end, what counts is how all these parts are being checked together. And here you see perfection between the human and the robots that are helping us to manufacture. But now we come to a very exciting moment, the final part where everything comes together. Our flagship product, this AccurioPress C14010. It contains more than 20,000 parts, and you have been seeing a lot of automation and a lot of passion has been bringing the product to life here, made in Japan, in Mikawa, digital manufacturing company.
Konica Minolta.